How to make Chinese noodles similar to the ones served in hotels. Here is a recipe that you can try. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, ½ cup water, ½ teaspoon salt, additional flour for dusting. Instructions: 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Gradually add the water while mixing until a dough forms. 2. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. 3. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. 4. After the dough has rested, divide it into 4 equal portions. 5. Roll out each portion into a thin, flat sheet. Dust with flour as needed to prevent sticking. 6. Fold the sheet of dough into thirds, then slice it into thin noodles using a sharp knife or a pasta cutter. 7. Unfold the noodles and lightly dust with flour to prevent sticking. 8. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add the noodles. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the noodles are tender. 9. Drain the noodles and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. 10. Serve the noodles hot with your favorite sauce or toppings. I hope this recipe helps you make delicious Chinese noodles similar to the ones served in hotels. Subscribe my channel. Namaste, folded hands.